question E. 625 into negative 35 plus negative 625 into 65. In this question, two operations, multiplication and addition are there. So which property we can use? Distributive property over addition, this property. That is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Then 625 into negative 35 plus negative 625 into 65. Here also 625, here also 625. So we can take it as a common factor. So now this is in the form A into B plus A into C, where A is equal to 625, B is equal to negative 35 and C is equal to 65. And that is equal to, then take 625 outside into A into B plus C. So what is B here? Negative 35 plus, we cannot leave this negative here, that will go to 65, that is minus 65. That is negative 625 is negative 1 into 625. We took only the 625 outside, negative sign is remaining over there. Then negative 1 into 625. So negative 1 is remaining over here. So negative 1 into 65 is negative 65. Understood? This negative is remaining over there. That is negative 625 is equal to negative 1 into 625. We took only the 625 outside. Negative sign goes to 65. That is negative 65. Negative 1 into 65 is negative 65. Take the common factor outside and write the remaining integers in the bracket. Do the operations in the bracket first. And that is equal to 625 into negative 35 plus negative 65. Both are negative integers, so add them and place the same sign. 35 plus 65 is 100, negative 100. We got the sum in the bracket as negative 100. Multiplication by 100 is easy. Then positive into negative is negative. 625 into 100 is 625. And put these two zeros on the right side of 625. So negative 62,500 is the answer. Which property we use there? Distributive property over addition. Don't forget to write the property. Next F, 7 into 50 minus 2. See, two operations are here, multiplication and subtraction. So which property? Multiplication and subtraction. So distributive property over subtraction. That is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is A into B minus C. This is in the form A into B minus C. So that is A into B minus A into C. Equal to, then A into B. That is 7 into 50. Then minus, then 7 into 2. 7 into 2. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. And that is equal to, what is 7 into 50? 350 minus 7 2s are 40. And that is equal to 350 minus 14 is 336. So the answer is 336. Which property we use? Distributive property over subtraction. That is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Next question, negative 17 into negative 29. We cannot multiply and find the product. We should use some properties of multiplication of integers. So we can split this 29 or 17 and we can use distributive property. So 29 is equal to 30 minus 1. Then what is 1 minus 30? 1 minus 30 is 1 plus negative 30 and that is equal to negative 29. Here we subtract a small integer from a bigger integer, so positive answer. When we subtract a bigger integer from a small integer, the difference will be negative. Then 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then what is 5 minus 10? Add the additive inverse. That is 5 plus negative 10 and that is equal to negative 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 10 is negative 5. So you can directly write what is 100 minus 30. 100 minus 30 is 70. What is 30 minus 100? 30 minus 100 is negative 70. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. And what is 1 minus 2? Negative 1. What is 8 minus 2? 6. What is 2 minus 8? Negative 6. 29 is equal to 30 minus 1. So negative 29 is equal to 1 minus 30. We can write 29 as 20 plus 9 also. Negative 29 is equal to negative 20 plus negative 9. But multiplication by 1 and 30 is easier than multiplication by 20 and 9. So we can write negative 29 as 1 minus 30. Then answer. Negative 17 into negative 29 is equal to negative 17 into 1 minus 30. Now which property? See in this part, multiplication and subtraction are there, two operations. Then which property we can use? Distributive property over subtraction. That is in the form A into B minus C. Where A is negative 17, B is 1 and C is 30. Okay. That is equal to, then distribute negative 17 to both the numbers A into B minus A into C. So A into B, that is negative 17 into 1 minus negative 17 into 30. Don't write negative 30. In the place of C only 30. This minus, same minus, subtraction minus, and this number is positive. So negative 17 into 30. And that is equal to negative into positive is negative 17 into 1 is 17. Minus negative into positive is negative 17 3s are 51 and 0. 510. Then add the additive inverse, that is equal to negative 17 plus 510. And this is negative and this is positive. So subtract them and place the sign of the bigger integer. 510 minus 17 is 493. So the answer is 493. An important point you should remember is in this part, in the place of C you write only 30. Don't write negative 30 because this is subtraction minus. Next question H. Negative 57 into negative 19 plus 57. See, two operations are here, multiplication and addition. So we can use distributive property over addition. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the first part and this is the second part. That is in the form A into B plus A into C. 57, here also 57. And 57 A into C, but C is not here. So what should we do? This 57 has an integer friend negative 19. So we should give an integer friend to this 57 also. Then only this part will be in this form and we can use distributive property. So here A into C. So we should multiply 57 by an integer. So with which integer we should multiply 57 to get 57 as the product 1. 57 into 1 is 57. So this integer friend is 1. Here now A is equal to 57, B is equal to negative 19 and C is equal to 1. That is equal to answer. What is this LHS? A into B plus C. So take the common factor A outside. Which is the common factor here? 57 into. Then this negative, this will be negative 1. Negative 57 is negative 1 into 57. So negative 1 is remaining here. So this negative 1 into negative 19. Negative into negative is positive. So 19 plus 1. This remaining 1. Find this sum first, then unmultiply. That is 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20.
57 into 2 is 114.
Then put this 0. That is 1140. Which property we use there? Distributive property over